Hi everyone, I hope that you are doing great. My name is ذ.عبد Rابsy. I am a teacher of English at 11th January High School at Laayoune. And today we are going to have a look at a lesson of vocabulary, especially environment and ecology. Okay, let's start. So let's have a look at this picture. What do you see? Okay, so in the picture there is a man or a doctor, examining Earth, and the title is "The Earth is very sick." Today we are going to have a look at why or the causes that cause the Earth to be sick. Today we will be talking about pollution and the types and the main types of pollution. All right. So we have air pollution. Air pollution is when factories give off toxic gases, and or cars give off toxic smoke. All right. Then we have also water pollution. So people throw garbage in oceans or rivers or lakes, which may cause contamination of water, which we drink eventually. Also we have land pollution. Land pollution is when people throw waste in the streets. And garbage, causes the contamination of soil and land. So you have a look at this, and you see garbage all over the place here. And we have also noise pollution. Noise pollution, it has to do with noise caused by cars or factories or loud music, especially in big cities. Some of the environmental problems that we have are acid rain, which is caused mainly by rain mixed with acid or gases, or smoke by factories or cars. We have also the phenomenon of deforestation, which is logging or cutting down trees, or fires that that can be also found in forests, or demolish or destruct forests. One of the problems caused also by human beings is global warming, like the gases that we said which cause global warming, or the greenhouse effects, high temperature because of the pollution. Another problem is the ozone hole, or a hole that is in the ozone layer, caused by pollution. One of the environmental problems again is endangered species, which is animals or numbers of animals which is very small or limited, and it's running at a risk of extinction. So they will no more exist anymore. Again, we have also natural disasters, like as you see here in the picture, it's earthquake. It's an earthquake, and volcano. Also, we have tsunamis and tornadoes, etc. All these are natural disasters or catastrophes. Also, we have droughts, which is a long period when there is little or no rain, as you see, and desertification, when the land changes into a desert. All right. So having these problems, we need to come to a solution, and one of the solutions is, as you see here, recycling, is to change garbage and rubbish into new products, for a human to use them again. All right. Now we are going to move to a small exercise, a matching exercise. Is when you have to match the words with their definitions. So as you see here, we have 10 words that we have just seen in the presentation, and you have to match them with their definitions over here. Okay? So I will leave you, okay, you can stop the video and do the exercise. Okay, good. Now we are going to correct, okay, the exercise. So the first word we have garbage. So the suitable definition would be J is waste or trash or rubbish. The second one, acid rain. So the suitable definition would be rain mixed with acid formed by gas released into the atmosphere. And the third one, deforestation. The suitable and the correct, okay, definition would be destroying forests by cutting down trees or by fires. Number 4, we have global warming. Global warming is a high temperature, or as we said, okay, the greenhouse effect. Number 5, ozone hole. What do you guess? It would be B, okay, a hole in the ozone layer caused by pollution. Caused here, there is a D, okay, we have to add it. 6, endangered species. Endangered species. Okay, so the suitable definition would be C, animals at risk of extinction. Okay. Number 7, drought. A, as you see here, a long period when there is little or no rain. 8, recycling. What do you think? Recycling is D, is to change garbage and rubbish into new products. 9, okay, so we have something which is toxic is something which is poisonous, okay. And give off, the last one is F, okay, to produce, okay, to give off gases, okay, to produce gas, especially from factories and cars. Nice. We'll move to task number 2. Okay, we have fill in the blanks with the words. We have toxic, garbage, give off, endangered species, and recycling. And we have the following sentences. Again, you can stop the video and do the exercise alone. Alright? So now we are going to move to the correction, okay? We are going to do it collectively. Number 1, we have something is when paper, glass, plastic, etc. is put through a process so that it is can be used, or so it can be used again. So that's gonna be recycling. Number 1, okay, recycling. So I will read again. Recycling is when paper or glass or plastic, the things that we use every day, is put through a process. There is a procedure or a lot of procedures so that it can be used again. Okay? So we use plastic, we use it again, we can use it again, or glass or other materials that we use in daily life. Number 2, we have the polar bear is one of the. So that's an animal. So the polar bear is one of the endangered species. So it's no more exists, or there is just a little amount of these animals, okay, in the world. Number 3, we have people should not throw what? In the streets. So people should not throw what? So people should not throw garbage or trash or waste or their waste in the streets. Number 4, factories and cars, toxic smokes. So factories and cars, what do? They produce, they give off toxic smokes. And the last one, the carbon dioxide, CO1, is a gas. The carbon dioxide, CO1, is a what? Is a toxic gas. It's a toxic or it's a poisonous gas. It's a dangerous, meaning it's a dangerous, okay? It threatens our life. Alright. Alright, so that's okay, the end of our lesson. We come to the end of our lesson. So we were talking about environment and ecology, which means the balance in our environment. We talked also about the main problems, the three main types of pollution, which are land pollution, water pollution, and noise pollution. Okay. Then we move to some problems that threaten our environment, such as droughts, endangered species, acid rain, etc. Okay, so we had a lot of problems that threaten, as we said, our lives or our environment in general. Then we move to two exercises where we saw and we recycled our vocabulary that we have seen in the beginning. All right. So I hope that this finds you well and you kind of grasp the meaning of pollution and environment, and you had just one idea about it. Okay, so when you go, you can copy this in your notebooks and you can write this as this. Okay, so let's save the environment from natural disasters, extinction, drought, ozone hole, global warming. Thank you for your attention. See you next.